Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2021 Chevrolet Blazer RS. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with rear privacy tint, black alloy rims, and black Chevrolet badges to create a full blacked out look. We have our heated and cooled leather seating, as well as backup camera, navigation, power liftgate, and panoramic sunroof. Now on to the interior of the Blazer. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, memory seat option, Bose speaker, liftgate controls, and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather wrapped heated steering wheel with black Chevrolet badge in the middle. We have our push start, infotainment screen with backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Below that we have our heated and cooled seat options. You can see we can adjust the climate using the vents as the dials. And we also have our charging outlets and wireless charging pad. Gear selection stock, 2 cup holders. We also have our 4-wheel drive controls. You can see we can swap between 4-wheel and 2-wheel drive. A little holder for our key. Padded leather center console lid with red stitching. Then our front seats are featured in black leather with red accents and perforated leather in the lower portion. Our rear view camera is built into our rear view mirror. Above that we have OnStar controls, reading lights, sunglass holder, black headliner, and panoramic sunroof. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our black alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have Blazer featured subtly on the side in black, as well as paint matched mirror caps and door handles. Our rear privacy tint, you can see a little Chevrolet bow tie in the taillights. Then around to the back we have our dual exhaust, RS badging, black Chevrolet badge once again. Open our lift gate, and inside we'll find plenty of storage room as well as the handles to fold down the rear seats. Now on to the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, heated seat option, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our rear charging outlets. Then our back seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.